smoking is a quite difficult and painful process. And quite often, people gain weight because, in the absence of cigarettes, former smokers seek comfort in rolls, chips, nuts, sunflower seeds, and candies. So, how to avoid gaining weight after quitting smoking? Try replacing high-calorie snacks with healthier ones. For example, try raw carrots, radishes, celery, slices of sweet peppers, or huckleberry. Another important moment is to clearly plan your main meals. Eat the foods that bring you pleasure. Narcologists offer to trick the body with foods that slowly release sugar into the bloodstream. Slices of whole grain bread, apricots, pears, and natural yogurts contribute to the production of serotonin. This effect lasts longer than from eating a cake or chocolate. Eat foods that help you calm down. Nicotine improves the concentration and takes away the anxiety. So do not be surprised if at first you will feel fatigue without nicotine, sleepiness, and causeless irritability. To compensate the imbalance, eat fish, eggs, beans, and poultry. Bananas and leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin B, and they will help to support your nervous system. Drink lots of water. A large amount of liquid accelerates the withdrawal of toxic substances. But most importantly, it reduces the brutal appetite. It's not necessary to drink only bottled water. Drink whatever you want. Herbal teas or hot skim milk would be perfect. And it's better to avoid coffee and alcohol since these drinks are often combined with smoking. Try new things as often as possible. A good way to enjoy a difficult period is to become a gourmet for a while. Go to an expensive supermarket and spend money on berries, dried fruits, seafood, and other delights.